What is up, everybody, and welcome back to All About AI Tech. Today, I'm pumped to dive deep into the incredible world of AI integration. And trust me, it's happening everywhere, guys. From the everyday essentials like water management to complex financial systems, AI is changing the game, making industries smarter, faster, and more efficient. So, buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and get ready for an awesome ride through the latest AI integrations transforming our world. First up, let's talk about something we all need: water. AI is making waves in the water sector, and Jim Cooper from Arcadis is leading the charge. He's been talking about how AI can help us manage this precious resource more efficiently. We're talking about using AI to predict water demand, optimize distribution networks, and even detect contamination. And this is crucial, guys, because we're facing growing concerns about things like PFAS contamination, those forever chemicals that are a real threat to our water supply. AI can help us identify and manage these risks, ensuring we have access to clean, safe water. Pretty cool, right? Next up, let's head over to Western Sydney University, where they're using AI to revolutionize the student experience. Sammy Baydown, the team leader of the Student Services Hub, is the man with the plan, and he's been sharing their success story. They've implemented Genesys Cloud, a powerful AI-powered platform, to streamline their student support services. We're talking about handling a massive influx of inquiries without breaking a sweat. Before Genesys, they could barely manage 100 calls without things going haywire. Now, they're handling up to 500 inquiries seamlessly. That's the power of AI, guys. They've even got AI-powered chatbots and sentiment analysis tools to provide personalized support and identify areas for improvement. Western Sydney University is setting the bar high for AI integration in education. Attention all developers. GitHub, the platform you know and love, has just unleashed a game-changer: GitHub Models. Thomas Dohmke, the CEO of GitHub, is on a mission to democratize AI for everyone, and he's making it happen. GitHub Models gives you direct access to a treasure trove of AI models from heavy hitters like Meta, OpenAI, and Microsoft, all within the familiar GitHub environment. You can experiment, integrate, and deploy AI models seamlessly without ever leaving your workflow. This is huge, guys, because it empowers developers of all skill levels to harness the power of AI and build the next generation of intelligent applications. The future of software development is here, and it's powered by AI. Let's talk business, guys. Specifically, how AI is transforming the way businesses operate. UiPath, a leading name in business automation, is at the forefront of this revolution, and Edward Chalice, their head of AI strategy, is leading the charge. He's emphasized the importance of integrating AI into everyday business practices, and UiPath is making it a reality. They're helping businesses automate those repetitive, time-consuming tasks that bog us all down. We're talking about things like data entry, invoice processing, and customer support. By automating these processes, businesses can free up their valuable human capital to focus on more strategic, creative, and fulfilling work. That's a win-win for everyone. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: AI in the workplace. I know some people are worried that AI will take their jobs, but I'm here to tell you that it's not about replacing humans. It's about empowering us to do our best work. And one of the keys to successful AI integration in the workplace is adopting a systems thinking mindset. Think of AI as your co-pilot, helping you automate tasks and make your workflow smoother. By embracing this collaborative approach, we can leverage the power of AI to boost our productivity, enhance our creativity, and ultimately, achieve better outcomes. Remember, guys, it's not about man versus machine. It's about man with machine. Now, let's talk about something that might seem a little dry but is crucial to the financial world: auditing. KPMG, one of the Big Four accounting firms, is shaking things up with their AI-powered smart audit platform, KPMG Clara. Scott Flynn, KPMG's U.S. Vice Chair of Audit, is excited about how this technology is transforming the auditing landscape. KPMG Clara is like having an army of AI-powered auditors working tirelessly behind the scenes. They're poring over massive amounts of data, identifying risks, and ensuring accuracy, all while freeing up human auditors to focus on the bigger picture. This is all part of KPMG's commitment to delivering high-quality audits and maintaining trust in the capital markets. It's AI in action, folks, making a real difference in the world of finance. Let's shift gears and talk about how AI is helping us build safer, more resilient cities. One area where AI is proving invaluable is in predicting and mitigating the risk of natural disasters, specifically soil liquefaction. This happens during earthquakes, where the ground literally turns to liquid, causing buildings and infrastructure to collapse. It's terrifying, and it's a major threat in earthquake-prone areas. But here's the good news, guys. Professor Shinya Inazumi and his team at the Shibora Institute of Technology in Japan are using AI to predict soil liquefaction risks. They've developed a sophisticated model that analyzes geotechnical data and creates risk maps, giving city planners the information they need to make informed decisions about building codes, infrastructure development, and emergency preparedness. It's another shining example of how AI can be used for good. Now, let's talk about insurance, or more specifically, InsurTech. The insurance industry is ripe for disruption, and AI is leading the way. Companies like Kyber Technologies are using AI to automate tedious tasks, like processing claims notices. Now, I know insurance paperwork isn't the most exciting topic, but trust me, this is a big deal. By automating these processes, insurance companies can save time, reduce costs, and improve the customer experience. It's about making insurance faster, easier, and more efficient for everyone involved. Let's talk about the big dogs, the tech giants who are investing heavily in AI. Companies like Google, Microsoft, and Amazon are embedding AI into everything they do, and it's creating massive new revenue streams. Google's Search Generative Experience, Microsoft's Copilot, and Amazon's personalized recommendations are just a few examples of how AI is changing the game. These companies are leveraging their vast datasets and AI expertise to create smarter, more intuitive, and ultimately, more profitable products and services. It's a classic example of how AI is not just a cool technology, but a powerful business tool. Now, let's talk about healthcare. AI is poised to revolutionize healthcare, and radiology is at the forefront of this transformation. But here's the thing, guys, we need to make sure radiologists are properly trained to use these powerful AI tools. We need to invest in AI education and make sure that the next generation of radiologists is equipped with the skills and knowledge they need to harness the full potential of AI. This means understanding how AI algorithms work, how to interpret AI-generated results, and how to integrate AI seamlessly into their daily workflows. It's about empowering radiologists to embrace AI as a valuable tool that enhances their expertise and improves patient care. Last but not least, let's talk about the wild world of cryptocurrency. AI is making its mark in the crypto space, and Near Protocol is a prime example. They've been integrating AI applications into their blockchain, and guess what? It's paying off big time. They've seen a 40% price jump in just the past week. This shows the power of AI to drive innovation and value in the crypto market. And keep an eye out for other promising projects like Moonbag, which is making waves with its unique approach and high APY on staked coins. It's an exciting time to be following the intersection of AI and cryptocurrency. Well, folks, that's a wrap on another episode of All About AI Tech. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of AI integration. As you can see, AI is rapidly transforming our world, from the water sector and healthcare to manufacturing and finance. I'm dedicated to bringing you the latest and greatest in AI, so please hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and don't be shy about leaving your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Let's build an awesome community of AI enthusiasts. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the endless possibilities of AI. Peace out.